Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 204, converting between the forms of lines. So students will be able to convert between the three different forms of a linear equation. We did a couple of those in our previous lesson on our video. Now we're going to do a little bit more. So if you remember that slope-intercept form of an equation is y equals mx plus b. Write this in your notes. If you don't have these three forms already written down in your notes somewhere, please write them down now. So then y equals mx plus b. The y is just a y coordinate point. The x is the x coordinate point, and b is the y-intercept, and m is the slope. In point-slope form, you have y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x1. So y1 is a y-coordinate point, x1 is the x-coordinate point, and m is our slope. In standard form of the equation is ax plus by equals c. A must be positive. B and c can be negative. Y is the y-coordinate point, and x is the x-coordinate point. So converting between point-slope and slope-intercept form. So here's an example. It says, write an equation in point-slope form of the line that passes through the given point and has the given slope. Then change the equation to slope-intercept form and sketch a picture of the graph. So here's we need to write, let's do y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So I've got my y minus 1 is equal to 4 times x minus 3. So there is my equation of my line in point-slope form, but I need it in slope-intercept form. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to distribute this 4 to everything inside the parentheses, and I get y minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 12. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get y is equal to 4x minus 11. Okay, and now to sketch my graph, my y-intercept is at negative 11, and then I'm going to count up my slope. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And if I was much better at drawing a straight line on my iPad, that would be a straight line, and that's what the graph looks like. So here's an example where it says to rearrange the standard form of the equation so it's in slope-intercept form and then sketch a picture of the graph. So to do that, I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides, and I get 3y is equal to negative 6x plus 18. Now I need to divide everything by 3. So don't forget to include dividing your constant over here by whatever the coefficient of y is, because a lot of people will forget. You'll do it to the slope, but you'll forget to do it to the intercept. So I get y is equal to negative 2 plus 6. Negative 2x plus 6. And so I'm going to graph. I got my plus 6. And then negative 2. I can go down 2 over 1. And I can also go up 2 over 1. And then I connect my lines. So here's an example where I want you to try. Rearrange the standard form of the equation so that it's in slope-intercept form, and then sketch a picture of the graph. So I'm going to solve this. I need to subtract 2x from both sides. So I'm left with negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 3. But in y equals mx plus b form, I really need my y to be positive. So I'm going to divide everything by -1. And I get y is equal to 2x minus 3. And then I'm going to graph it. -3 is my y-intercept. And then 2 is my slope. So I go up 2 over 1. I can also go down and to the left 2 to graph as well a positive